Alright, we are here in Guimaras, provincial capital, and I have all the Penn State students. I'm going to be their tour guide for today, and it's gonna be fun. It's a good experience for them. And this area here of Guimaras is a tourist spot. Yeah. Dito kami ngayon sa float ng mango float. Okay, so nag-stop by kami sa Mercury Drug para bumili ng tubig kasi yung mga guest namin, sinabihan ko sila na mag-stock up sila ng tubig kasi mabilis maubos yung tubig dito. So bumili sila ng malalaking 2 jug na malalaki. Yun. Tapos noon, pupunta kami sa wet market, and also gusto nila makita yung pit stop, kasi meron ditong pizza, mango pizza, baka gusto nilang i-try. So yun, tapos niyan, hinantay ko lang sila dito, hinantay ko sila, galing sila sa Mercury Drug. So first time kong mag-drive dito sa sa Guimaras. Ibang klase yung driving experience dito compare sa States. Ayan.
No way!
So cool. Yeah.
It's really fun. We like to find fields with like a bunch of these and we just go.
Magdi-date kami ni Nini sa Jollibee. Yay! Smile naman dyan. You're getting ice cream. Ako, talaga? Okay. Order ako ng ano kaya? Burger. Okay, milkshake. You don't like milkshake?
No, I don't want the ice cream.
Sige. Ito na yung, ito na yung Jollibee sa Guimaras. Tricycle kami ni Nini, Lala. Mauga yung yung tricycle. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nasa yung high heels?